What is the next step?
No key.
Okay.
Remove out the oil jets.
Remove what?
The oil jets.
Oil jets. Okay, where are the oil jets? Okay, those are the oil jets. Okay, we are going to remove the oil jets.
I got 10.
And after that, I am going to explain the procedure to remove the crankshaft. Okay, remove all the pistons, and after that you can remove the jets easily. Remove all the pistons.
Okay.
Yeah, remove all the pistons. Bring that piston here. Bring the, yeah, put those pistons close. Exactly. And after that, I explain the process.
All right.
Okay, be careful with the nuts and put it in a separate bag. Take picture. After that, you don't remember where is each one.
Yeah. Careful around this one.
Ah, no, I know. Be careful with him, no, mommy? Okay. That's the crazy gear. Okay, right now you are ready to remove that plate.